This video is intended for education and training of eye surgeon. Viewer discretion is advised, not recommended for children. Hello friends, I am Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital and Training Center, and in this video I will be speaking about a case where the IOL developed a cold feet. It happens many times that you are focused on your case because it's a complex case like white cataract, some intumescence, and you are worried about how to tackle this case, and in fact it gets over quite uneventfully, and you are relieved by the fact that surgery was uncomplicated and expecting great outcome for the patient. Now the plan here was to implant a hydrophobic IOL. It was a particularly a cold day and temperature in the OT was around 19 degrees, and when I tried to fold that IOL in the cartridge I realized it was hard, and when I tried to push it through you could see that the optic refused to mold. So I waited for some time, stopped the cooling of AC, reloaded the IOL in a new cartridge. By this time the IOL was little warmer as compared to initial, so I could push it almost, but the moment the optic tried to go through the end of the cartridge, it again came out. So now I decided that I will enlarge the incision little bit to 3 mm, and instead of the regular cartridge I will use B cartridge, which is wider. So even with slightly harder hydrophobic material it should not be an issue. So I loaded the IOL. You could see that the IOL is well loaded, and now I am going to push it through the larger cartridge into the bag, and now I could do it easily. By this time the IOL also must have got warmer, and now pushing the viscoelastic and then putting the second haptic in the bag. And fortunately, because I didn't touch the optic, there was no scratch or any deformity of the optic, but you can still see that the IOL is slowly unfolding, and this is very important, particularly for hydrophobic IOLs, that we have to take care that they have to be warm enough before you implant them. Some hydrophobic IOLs are more sensitive to temperature than others. Now we do few things like putting them on the halogen bulb of the microscope, but this is the best solution that I have got. So what I use is the heating pad typically given for orthopedic problems, and I just wrap this heating pad around that IOL box, so it gives me a nice warm and moldable hydrophobic IOL. And what more, as a bonus you can use it for your back pain or neck pain. So make sure OR temperature is not too cold, and OR, particularly with laminar flow ventilation, has colder temperature under the flow. Use heating pad before opening the IOL box, and do not open the box till the case is ready for IOL implantation, otherwise the IOL will again get cold. For more such videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit our website phacotraining.org.in. Thank you.